Cronos seems to be the hottest project out there right now, but can you really make tons of money with it? Is it possible to make as much as 100k? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to make $100k with Cronos coin. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. Buying into Cronos. Crypto.com has established itself as a high-profile participant in the world of cryptocurrencies, gaining brand awareness through celebrity endorsements from actors like Matt Damon and securing the name right to the former Staples Center in Los Angeles. Among other things, Cronos, Crypto.com's native coin, has seen a significant increase in interest as a result of the public relations campaign. Cro is based on the Cronos blockchain, which is also known as Crypto.com's blockchain. The purchase of the Cro token is rather basic. Here's how to get started. You must have a cryptocurrency exchange account that supports Cro in order to use this service. If you don't already have a Crypto.com account, it may be better for you to deal with this exchange. If you prefer to use a different platform, the beginner-friendly Coinbase could be a good place to start, and both KuCoin and FTX allows you to trade Cro, as do several others. When it comes to purchasing Cro, you have a number of alternatives accessible to you based on what is available on your exchange. The most straightforward approach is to deposit fiat money, such as US dollars, into your exchange, which you can then use to purchase Cro directly. If you already have a cryptocurrency, you may be able to put these coins into the exchange and then trade them for Cronos tokens on the same platform immediately. Alternatively, you may be able to finance purchases with a debit or credit card. However, this will often be the most expensive method of acquiring Cronos because you'll not only incur more prices than you would typically incur on the exchange, you'll also very certainly be charged fees by your credit card provider as well, making such transactions both expensive and risky. Following the funding of your account or the establishment of another payment method, Cro may then be purchased. The exchange you should use provide you with the option to search for Cro. Choose the amount you wish to purchase and then compare the cost of acquisition. The coins will be available on your account on the exchange as soon as you click the purchase button. Remember that acquiring a cryptocurrency using a cryptocurrency exchange's trading platform will almost always be less expensive than purchasing the coin through the exchange's newbie platform or quick/instant purchase options. For example, the fees associated with executing the same transaction on Coinbase are much higher than the fees associated with doing the same transaction on Coinbase Pro, the company's premium trading platform, which is also available for free on the Coinbase website. Even though this final step isn't essential, it's recommended if you plan to keep your Cro for an extended amount of time. For example, when you transfer Bitcoin from a cryptocurrency exchange to an independent digital currency wallet, you are assisting in the improvement of the security of your funds, in addition to decreasing your chances of being hacked. Using a cold or offline wallet makes your Bitcoin essentially unhackable. You will, however, often be asked to pay a small withdrawal charge in order to get your coins off the exchange after they have been successfully transferred. Choose to store your cryptocurrency on the exchange where you got it if you just want to keep your Cro for a short length of time, or if you simply do not want to deal with the trouble of removing your cryptocurrency from the exchange. Since then, the vast majority of reputable exchanges have taken the vast majority of their clients' assets offline and have purchased insurance to replace any coins that have been lost as a consequence of hacking attempts. By the way, are you invested in Cronos? Let us know in the comment section down below. Pros and cons. Given the massive marketing activities undertaken by its parent company, Cro has the potential to achieve tremendous growth in the near future. According to Sean Heng, Vice President of Growth and Operations at CoinMarketCap, a website that tracks the prices of cryptocurrency assets, Cro is a cryptocurrency that is still in its early stages, despite having experienced significant growth since its launch in 2018. Cro is currently ranked 17th overall in terms of market capitalization. According According to Hang, providing that Crypto.com's brand recognition continues to be strong, it is feasible that the token's value may increase in the near future. The minimum annual percentage yield (APY) for CRO will be 10% starting in February 2022, and it will be higher after that. As a reward of putting up your CRO to assist with the running of the Crypto.com blockchain, you would get the following amount of CRO. In comparison, the annual percentage yield (APY) on ETH staking at Coinbase, a rival, is around 4.5% per year. Trading charges may be lowered if you have CRO in your Crypto.com account, so keep that in mind while making your purchases. This is especially advantageous for dealers that conduct large-scale transactions. The Crypto.com Visa debit card, on the other hand, gives incredibly valuable incentives, like up to 8% cashback on purchases made with CRO. Free subscriptions to streaming services such as Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Prime, as well as complimentary access to airport lounges. The more the amount of CRO you invest in, the better. The higher the size of your Crypto.com wallet, the greater the number of rewards you will be eligible to win. It, on the other hand, has a high degree of volatility. The price of CRO, like the price of most other cryptocurrencies, may change significantly from week to week, depending on supply and demand. Being that cryptocurrencies are high risk, but potentially lucrative investment vehicles, investors must be prepared to suffer losses, particularly in short term. In order for CRO to be successful, the cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com must do well as well. Examples include a hack on Crypto.com in January 2022 that resulted in the theft of $33 million in cryptocurrency, leading in a drop in the value of the cryptocurrency CRO. Furthermore, the capacity to lock in your investment is required in order to get rewards. You must have your CRO in the hands of Crypto.com for at least 6 months at the time in order to be eligible for bigger bonuses. Because of this, you will be unable to make payments instantly. You may also only be eligible for the highest reward rates if you have wagered more than $400,000 during the course of the game. Make $100,000 with it. When compared to traditional cryptocurrencies, CRO offers a plethora of advantages, particularly when considering the extensive marketing tools provided through Crypto.com and the Crypto.com exchange. If you currently trade on the Crypto.com exchange, you should consider purchasing and keeping CRO because it will provide you with additional benefits, such as lower trading costs and the opportunity to earn CRO by using their debit card. If you are already a user of the exchange, if you are not a user of the exchange, you should consider purchasing and keeping CRO. Crypto.com's major focus is on blockchain-based payment, commerce, financial services, and metaverse solutions, with a secondary focus on cryptocurrency. For all of this to be realized through sound and user-friendly technology, the company has developed mobile applications that allow customers to acquire and sell cryptocurrencies as well as non-fungible tokens at their true market value. On the most advanced end of the spectrum, it maintains an exchange platform that gives interested traders a 10x margin of safety and protection as part of its decentralized finance (DeFi) wallet development. The business has created a mechanism that allows users to keep ownership over their Bitcoin holdings while generating revenue through the usage of DeFi protocol-based payment systems. Consider the following. It is totally possible to earn $100,000 with the use of Cronos. If you invest 20% of your daily pay in Cronos, you should be able to achieve $100,000 within a few years after starting out in the business. What do you think about Cronos? Do you think it's realistic to get $100,000 within the next few years? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.